Week 5 already. Okay, this is what I have on the website for you for PE this week. We have a Star Photo Day 2020 movie for you to watch. It's not really PE related, but it is a bit of fun. So have a look at that. Then we're going to think our learning intentions this week is to move safely in your environment. So wherever you are, whatever PE activity you're doing, you need to make sure you are safe. We're also going to strike objects to complete a challenge. So they are your two intentions this week. We have a warm-up of a scavenger hunt. I had many requests to redo the scavenger hunt we did a few weeks ago. So here's another one here. And this is the main activity, is you making a striking implement. So I want you to think about the different games that we play, like hockey and golf and tennis, and we use an object to hit things with. So there's lots of games that we do that with. Have a think, what other games do you play with an striking implement? Then I would like you to actually come up with a striking implement at your house now. Don't just go and choose a cricket bat laying in the backyard. Be creative in the object you are going to use to strike a ball or a balloon or something with. I've got a couple of suggestions here that I've used a fly swat before to hit balloons and play balloon tennis. You could use a broom to hit a ball or something, or the inner tube of a wrapping paper. Be creative, might be a spoon even, I don't know. See what you've got at your house to use as a striking implement. Then you will be doing a striking challenge with your implement down here. There are, three, six, I think there's 9 different challenges that you can do. You will use your implement to dribble a ball or a rolled up pair of socks along the floor from one side of the room to the other. So you'll start on one side, use your stick or whatever you found, and get the ball across to the other side of the room. That's 100 points. See if you can go through these challenges here. I just wanted to quickly say, down here in the tennis racket or the tennis section, it says hit a balloon or a blown up plastic bag up in the air for 10 times, etc., etc. Now, some people don't have balloons at their house, so I've suggested a blown up plastic bag or a Ziploc bag. You can get the plastic bag, blow it up, tie a loop in the top, and you've got sort of like a balloon, or your Ziploc bag again, seal most of it, blow it up and seal the rest of it, and you'll have like a puffy ball to play with. So there are your challenges there. Down here, I know there's some people who are doing a lot of PE at home, so I've given you a few extra activities in case you want something different to do through the week. There is a board game to play here. You'll need a dice or go online and find one that you can play with online. And you start at the start and roll the dice. It'd be one that you could play with somebody or by yourself. And then there's another activity here you might like to have a look at, and it's different types of walking. Join in with me, have a go at the different styles of walking that I come up with, and you might like to create your own style of walking afterwards. Don't forget, school cross country is still going on. You have this week to get your photos into your teacher. Get as many points as you can for your team. And down the bottom is our form that I'd like you to fill in. It lets me know that you've finished PE for the week. Please put your first and last name up here. There's a few people just putting initials and I'm getting a bit confused as who it is. So make sure you put your first and last name up there. And that is it for PE week 5. Keep it up, guys. I'm really proud of you. I can't wait to see you all again at school.